do ikworo bo me ni wa do mi ye wa bikia po wa ni ere wa do vere ri enu ne na o de me ke bo wa ni ere o ye se antichristi o ge ne nyero o yo no christi o ge ne nyero o de o se me o ye John igo fose o de o shall make right happy ego umkoro mi go no yo no pa bo yibo seri ne singular and plural. I want to talk about singular and plural in Urhobo language. Now let's go. I want to give some examples of words being pronounced singularly and plurally in Urhobo language. 1. Amwa, emwa, cloths. Ajuju, ijuju, handfans. Oni, ini, mothers. Aye, eya, women. Aye again, eya, wives. Oshare, eshare, men. Oshare again, eshare, husbands. Ose, ese, fathers. Onyovo, inyovo, siblings. Omoshare, emeshare, boys. Omote, emete, girls. Omotete, imitote, children. Usekbe, isekbe, snails. Urie, rivers. Igboma, bodies. Umako, imako, pepper fruits. Ite, oranges. Ora, era, ears. Igbunu, mouth. Unu, inu, hose. Obere, ibere, baskets. Oze, ize, basins. Omoze, imize, plates. Efioto, rabbits. Ukujere, ikijere, spoons. Imwemu, sins. Irimwemu, sinners. Eta, talks. Talks. Or talking. Ikbeti, stools. Ego, monies. Idana, money. Olomo, things. Oji, thieves. Ekpa, fools. Isiso, sacks. Ame, water. Imu, foods. Ikpeti uge, televisions. Ikweku, debts. Iko, cups. Efeto, combs. Inwemi, houses. Ikoni, kitchens. Ikpe, beds. Ilere, towns. Enwu, yes. Urukpe, irikpe, lights. Isio, stars. Egbara, shares. Akpo, lives. Abo, hands. Awo, legs. Ihu, hips. Okota, cars. Okoenu, Eko enu, airplane, airplanes. Oko, eko, boat, boats. Ijigere, ijigere, bicycle, bicycles. Oja, eja, soap, soaps. Ahore, ehore, sponge, sponges. Era, eru, iru, cap, caps. Ori, ili, cream, cream. Cream, creams. Okwo, ikwo, person, persons. Pamaku, ipamaku, sink, sinks. Tawore, itawore, trouser, trousers. Ehara, ehara, umbrella, umbrellas. Ato, eto, ato, eto, chewing stick, chewing sticks. Photo, photo, picture, pictures. Ubi, ubi, ibi, palm kernel, palm kernels. Ubiedi, ibiedi, palm fruit, palm fruits. Ubiedi, ibiedi, palm fruit, palm fruits. Ure, ire, wood, woods. Orie, irie, palm tree, palm trees. Obe, ebe, book, books. Obe, ebe, leaf, leaves. Ogene, egene, God, gods. Ejo, ejo, God, gods. Egene, egene, igene, youth, youths. Ode, ede, plantain, plantains. One, ene, yam, yams. Ire, ire, bean, beans. Rọba, ìrọba, plastic, plastics. Ọ̀pọ̀pọ̀, èpọ̀pọ̀, new, new ones. Ọ̀nàpá, ènàpá, police, police. Sóje, ìsóje, soldier, soldiers. Ọ̀rẹ̀rùtọ̀, èrẹ̀rùtọ̀, watchman, watchmen. Ọ̀gàdìẹ, ẹ̀gàdìẹ, crab, crabs. Ugburoba, igburoba, rubber, igburoba, rubber plantation, rubber plantations. Debono, idebono, devil, devils. Èṣù, iṣu, Satan, Satan. Eki, iki, market, markets, markets, markets. Èṣù, iṣu, Satan, Satan. Eki, iki, market, markets. Ekpu, ikpu, bag, bags. It's in the mini query. Defa, akamreo. Please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel of Auntie Christy Nyerowo Igofose, I plead and I advise that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow up with my past, present, and continuous teaching so that you will learn the language and know how to speak it, so that you will not be an ignoramus in Urhobo language. There is nothing like your own local dialect. You have to speak it. You have to know it. You have to write it so that you become an expert in it. Wherever you are, you will be proud that you are from Urhobo land. Or even if you are not from Urhobo land, you can still follow up and learn Urhobo language so that whenever you find yourself in the Urhobo land, you will be able to speak the language as well. Thank you very much. I love you so much, and I hope to see you again next time. Love you. Bye.